dog, chewed a highlighter, and dyed her mouth yellow. Here,
come here.
Jimmy, you gotta hold her mouth open. Come here. Look. I don't know if you can see that, but zombies, Jimmy, but she dyed her mouth yellow. Here. Let go of it. Yeah, I'm gonna go play zombies, so just wanted to show you that because she's dumb and choose anything she finds. She ripped my sock in half. It said left foot and it glowed in the dark. And
look, it's right there.
Yeah, it's right there underneath of her. Don't know if you saw that, but yeah. Bye.